Imagine a robot that not only walks, talks, and works, but learns, adapts, and could someday replace entire human jobs. Meet Figure 02, the humanoid robot that's taking AI-powered automation to a whole new level. It's not just another metal skeleton with fancy movements. It's a game changer, and today, we're diving deep into what makes it so special. How close are we to having robots in our everyday lives? Is this the start of a robotic revolution? And should we be excited or terrified? Let's find out. Figure 02 is the latest creation from Figure AI, a company that's making serious moves in the robotics space. This isn't some sci-fi movie prop. It's a fully functioning humanoid robot designed to do real-world jobs. We're talking about warehouse work, logistics, even customer service. Picture walking into a store and getting help from a robot. That's the future Figure 02 is aiming for. And here's the wild part. It's designed to think and learn like a human. Not just following pre-programmed commands, but actually understanding its environment. It can recognize objects, plan movements, and interact naturally with people. We're officially in the era where robots aren't just tools, they're co-workers. But how does it compare to other humanoid robots out there? Figure 02 is competing with heavyweights like Tesla's Optimus and Boston Dynamics Atlas. The key difference? Figure 02 is designed with real-world applications in mind from day one. It's not just about showing off cool movements, it's about putting robots to work where they're needed most. And this is just the beginning. The company behind Figure 02 is already working on upgrades and improvements. They're looking at better AI models, more efficient battery life, and even more human-like dexterity. In just a few years, Figure 02 could become even smarter, faster, and more capable than what we're seeing today. So how does Figure 02 pull off this futuristic magic? The secret sauce is a combination of AI, machine learning, and cutting-edge robotics engineering. First, it's equipped with a powerful neural network that allows it to process information in real time. Think of it like a human brain, but without the need for coffee breaks. Its vision system uses advanced cameras and sensors to analyze its surroundings. It doesn't just see, it understands. If you put an object in front of it, it knows what it is and how to handle it. And its movement? Smooth, natural, and eerily human-like. No clunky, stiff robot motions here. This thing walks like it belongs on a runway. But let's talk hardware for a second. Figure 02 is built with lightweight but durable materials, allowing it to move efficiently without wasting energy. Its joints are engineered to mimic human flexibility, making its range of motion incredibly lifelike. Plus, its hands are designed to grip and manipulate objects with precision, meaning it can do more than just pick things up and put them down. We're talking about delicate tasks like assembling parts, sorting fragile items, and even using tools. And the coolest part? It's learning. Every action it takes feeds back into its AI system, allowing it to improve over time. The more it works, the smarter it gets. And as AI models advance, Figure 02 will continue evolving, making it more intuitive and responsive. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool robot, but why should I care? Here's why. We're looking at a future where robots could fill gaps in labor shortages, take on dangerous tasks, and even revolutionize entire industries. Imagine hospitals where humanoid robots assist doctors and nurses, factories where robots work alongside humans in perfect harmony, or even restaurants where your server isn't just friendly, but fully automated. Figure 02 isn't just a cool tech demo, it's a glimpse into the future of work. And the demand is already there. With global labor shortages and increasing operational costs, businesses are looking for solutions that keep things running smoothly. Figure AI believes humanoid robots can be the answer, but it's not just about work, it's about safety. Robots like Figure 02 can handle hazardous jobs that put human lives at risk. Think about disaster response, deep-sea exploration, and even space missions. If a humanoid robot can go places we can't or shouldn't, it changes everything. And it's not just physical labor that will be impacted. AI-driven humanoid robots could become personal assistants, home caregivers, or even tutors for students. Imagine a future where a humanoid robot helps your kids with homework or assists elderly family members with daily tasks. This level of AI-powered companionship is closer than we think. But with all this progress, there's a big question lurking in the background. If robots like Figure 02 can do human jobs, what happens to human workers? Automation has always been a double-edged sword. It makes life easier, but can also disrupt industries. Some experts say robots will take over repetitive, dangerous jobs, allowing humans to focus on creative and complex work. Others warn that we could be heading toward mass job displacement. And let's not forget the sci-fi nightmare scenario. What happens when robots get too smart? Are we building the foundation for a world where AI surpasses human intelligence? Or are we just making life easier and more efficient? Ethics and regulations will play a huge role in shaping this future. Governments and companies will need to create policies to ensure that human workers aren't left behind. And there's also the question of AI safety. Figure 02 is designed to be helpful and controlled, but what happens when AI becomes more autonomous? Could we see robots developing unpredictable behaviors? It's a question researchers are taking seriously, and it's one that will shape the future of robotics. Figure 02 is more than just a robot. It's a symbol of how fast AI and robotics are evolving. Whether it's a cause for excitement or concern depends on your perspective. One thing is certain: the future is coming faster than we ever imagined. So, what do you think? Are you ready to work alongside robots? Or does the idea of AI-powered humanoids freak you out? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch this next video about a Mecha New update.